Alright, what's up guys? So in today's video, I blew my coilovers. So, the long story short, when I was putting my car on a jack stand and basically letting it pivot on the rear struts, I guess because I didn't set the preload correctly, it blew. So I have a PBM coilovers and they are relatively very strong coilovers and good quality coilovers, but I guess it's my mistake that it kind of blew. And I was like, oh, what do I do? Do I buy new coilovers or what do I do? So they basically had just the replacement strut on their website and I was like, okay, I can buy this. And it was really cheap. It was like $150 plus shipping is like $200, but I mean it's still cheaper than getting a whole new, coilover. So I was like, oh wow, like this is actually really good. So I went ahead, bought it, and this is how it looks. Yeah, very it's a lot smaller than I expected, but apparently this is the coilover strut. Never seen it before just by itself. This is really cool. So basically today's video we are going to transferring over my old coilover strut to this one. I hope there's no any issues that we ran into or anything like that, because man, I want to drive my car. It's been like a month since I drove. No, 2 months actually. It's been 2 months since I drove my car. I'm itching to go back out there and drive because I did so much to it and I haven't even drove it anywhere. And I want to take pictures or whatever. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna go to my car and then take off the old strut. And today we are gonna head over to Mr. God Stands Camber Gang, Mr. Haavisto. So we're gonna go to Mr. Haavisto's house, and then we're going to learn how to just how coilover works, because I have no idea. You guys probably have no idea. Well, if you do, congratulations, I don't know my so we're gonna go to Alex's house and then we're gonna learn how. And yeah, peace out. Alright, so we're out here at Alex's house. As you can see, this camber, only one on the island. So he is the camber stance specialist god that I just introduced in the intro. So he is going to be helping me to replace the whole assembly to this strut right here. And yeah, we'll see how it happens, but I'm super excited and we're gonna update you when that's done. Alright, and now the new strut, or what do you call this? Damper? New strut.
Yeah, you can call it the strut.
It's on, yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty. My $250 coilovers. Great, I'm super excited. I'm gonna go home and probably put this on. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Alex.
No problem.
And please watch his videos because his videos are really informative and very important content. I mean, like, look at this. Name one person who can accomplish this without knowing their like, let me know in the comments, because I've never met anybody who is so anal about his fitness. So, but he's very knowledgeable about this, so you can hit him up on Instagram if you have any questions. And yeah, we're gonna go home.
Life is fleeting. And if you're ever distressed, cast your eyes to the summer sky.
So basically I got my coilover fixed and then I'm out here for a test drive, and I'm so happy because I haven't drove my car in 2 months and I've done a lot of things to it, and you know, it looks like a completely different car. I'm actually getting alignment today. Yeah, I'm super excited. I want to drive more and, you know, do this thing that's supposed to be doing. So yeah, very happy with that. Yeah, it was such a short video, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.